ఈ సినిమాలో చేసినటువంటి అరుణ్ గారు ఏం మాట్లాడతారో విందాము.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. మా నాన్న విజయ్ కుమార్ గారు మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి గారితో స్నేహ కోసం చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు నా ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఫిలిం రామ్ చరణ్ గారితో చేసినందుకు నాకు చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది. ఐఎమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ చరణ్ సార్, అండ్ being Star Kids working together is an amazing experience. And Charan Garu, wonderful actor, and I'm a huge fan of his dance and fight, and working with him in this film was amazing, and we shared a lot of lovely memories together, and we complemented each other, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy. And the first time I heard that Chiranjeevi Garu is playing a part in this film.
అయ్యో, ఇది సర్ప్రైజ్. నేను తర్వాత చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాను, మీరు రివీల్ చేసేసారా? ఓ, మీకు తెలుసా ముందుగానే? ఓకే.
So I was totally excited, and it's a great honor to be a part of this film where the legend is playing, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy. After a long time he's coming back on screen. As a fan, I'm looking forward. I'm sure that you guys are looking forward too. And again I should thank Srinu Vaitla sir for giving me this opportunity. He's a wonderful director to work with. I've done around 18 to 19 films as hero in Tamil. My first film, Gautam Menon, gave me an anti-role with opposite Ajit sir, Yennai Arindal, and that film was dubbed here as Entavadagani, and that film naku chala manchi name ochindi aa film lo. Danti chusi Charan gar referred me to Srinu Vaitla sir, and I'm really happy to get this role. And for my first debut film, I'm really very happy. And of course, Danaya Garu, wonderful producer. He never thinks twice to spend for the quality of the film. And amazing guy, and he made us so comfortable. I'm pleasant working with the whole team. Again, our DOP, Manoj sir, his work is going to be shown amazingly, and it's going to be one of the highlights. And the writer, Kona Venkat sir, and Gopi sir. And I should just keep thanking a lot of people, and my co-stars, my co-actors, Sampath Garu and JP sir, Kriti, Nadia ma'am is wonderful working with you, and such a beautiful lady, and I'm a huge fan of yours, and here I am working with her. So, and there's a big list of actors. I'm sorry if I've forgotten. And the songs here. So here we watched the songs, and it was amazing, and I'm looking forward for the film. And thanks once again to the entire crew and the entire team. It was a lovely experience, and I want to work more and more in Telugu film industry, as these fans here are the best fans in all over all the industries, because you guys really enjoy the film and encourage so much. You know, they have so much of passion towards film, and I would love to do more and more films here in Telugu film industry. And thank you so much. I'm really happy to be a part, and I wish the whole team the very best, and thank you so much.